Hello there, and thank you for clicking on this full week of feeding. I just scared Jax. Hold on. Alright, he's good. But stay tuned, keep watching if you want to see what I eat. Had to re-up on groceries, so I went to Grocery Outlet and I found the best bagels ever for, look at that, such a cheap price. I love Grocery Outlet. I got these La Tortilla Factory tortillas. They're only 70 calories. Oh, don't mind those nails. I just dyed my hair. La Tortilla Factory is wonderful. I love their tortillas. And I also got peaches, nectarines, apples, this cute little canister thing, which I put my oatmeal in, carrots, corn tortillas, red grapes. Oh, nope, I'm going for the Minnie Mouse mints. Yes, some cute oven mints that I couldn't resist. And there's the grapes. Red grapes over green, always. Also got cauliflower, spinach, and I snacked on these blueberry muffins that my Thea made. Also got bananas, plantains. I really want to make plantain chips. Blues, straws, asparagus, peppers, more peppers, limes, avocados. The mini avocados are the best. Red onion, white onion, and I got this drink I want to try. And I also got eggs. She's stocked up now. She's blue again, baby. So cute, so cute. Say hello to everybody. Hello. Oh, lovely. Oh, Sundays. Sundays are for resting, they're for stretching, and they're for some French toast. We went to Pescadero recently where they have the best bread shop. Oh, so much delicious, freshly baked bread. And I had to pick up the cinnamon raisin bread. And making French toast with it was at the top of my list. Now I have baked many breads, but I'm not kidding when I say that this one is the best one ever. There's minimal ingredients, she's healthy, no oils, no butter, and just freaking amazing. You need to make this heavenly bread. So good, can't stop eating it. Fucking amazing. For dinner, I made these black bean flautas that I had got from HelloFresh. I could have made this meal my damn self, but I paid for the meals and I wasn't gonna let them go to waste like I've done in the past. They were delicious, but HelloFresh is just a little pricey. We can't be doing that every week. I heated them up in the air fryer rather than deep frying them in oil. Had a salad on the side and loaded those babies up with all the fixings. So good. Peanut butter chocolate is a no-no. Caramel butter pecan is a no-no. This one I think tastes alright. Was not a fan of these wraps whatsoever. So thin and floppy, I didn't know how to heat them up. I will stick to regular tortillas. Can we just talk about these sausages my man's made real quick? I mean, look at him. No good, honey. When I decided to cut out meat, I originally did it for health reasons. Now I'm sticking with it for ethical reasons, and I honestly can't see myself going back to it. Now I focus on eating lots of vegetables, lots of fruit, and eating the least amount of processed foods as possible. I focus on food that's going to fuel my body, get me through my workouts, and make me feel good, not slow me down and make me feel sluggish. Now don't get me wrong, I love sweets and I love dessert. If I'm craving chocolate, I'm going to eat some damn chocolate, but I'm not going to eat a whole ass giant chocolate bar like I used to, because I know that that's not going to make me feel good. You should be eating to fuel your body, not your emotions, something I need to often remind myself. Take care of yourself, honor your cravings, eat the chocolate when you want, but please, eat some damn vegetables also. Most of Thursday was spent on an airplane and at the airport, so I didn't get to eat much. I would have had my oatmeal, but TSA threw it away because there was too much liquid in it. So I snacked on a banana, granola bar, and some mixed nuts. And I had a little bit of Babe's PB&J. For For dinner, we had my favorite, Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
I had a bowl with white rice, black beans, corn, pico, sour cream, extra lettuce, and you can't forget the guac and chips. Ooh, the best. And we're back to Friday. I filmed an extra day. Whoops, you're welcome. I'm new here, obviously. I ate lots of yummy food in Tennessee, didn't stress too much. Tried to work out when I could, but if I missed a workout, it was fine. I was on vacation with my friends and my man, and it was lovely. Crash diets are not sustainable. You might lose some weight at first, cutting out carbs, cutting out sugar, but can you live your whole life like that? It's all about balance and forming healthy habits that are gonna last in the long run. Eat what you want, but like I said, eat your damn veggies.